Welcome to Tandendo. Relation between Kendo, swordsmanship, and Tandendo. Move from tandem. This is a part of the series Relation between Kendo, swordsmanship, and Tandendo. 5th episode of How to use tandem. Move from tandem. Manipulation of tandem can move forward with shuffle, which is suriashi, jump forward and stamp the floor, which is the motion when you're hitting the opponent, and stamping continuously, quickly. Rotate tandem. Let's start from move forward with the shuffling. This is the basic footstep of the kendo. Usually right foot ahead of the left foot, but for the Jordan it will be opposite, left foot ahead of the right foot. The first kamae position, that's kind of ready position before you attack. So try to put your back heel on the floor, put your weight on your front foot, pull your pelvis up with muscles for breathing. So put your heel down to the floor, your weight is at the front, pull your pelvis up by inhaling. Do you see the gap on the back heel? You must have a gap between the floor and the back heel. Not too high, but your pelvis is pulling up your back heel. Let's review kamae. Try to put your back heel on the floor to keep your balance. We have a video of it. Why would the right foot land before shinai hits? And then try to put your back heel on the floor to have a state of drawing a ball. So this state allows you to go forward anytime, like shooting the arrow. And put your weight on your front foot to fall down forward automatically, and the structure of a back foot move you forward when front foot lifted. And pull your pelvis up with muscles for breathing. If you do not do this, you can't lift your front foot, your back heel touches on the floor. So again, pull your pelvis up is very important. Once kamae is structured properly, rest of the part is easy. When you're going to move forward, lift your front foot slightly. Gravity lets you move forward automatically. After moving forward, at the moment front foot touches the floor, muscle for the breathing pull up your pelvis. Your back leg gets pulled to the front leg. And then keep going and continued to go forward. The reason why I said that muscle for the breathing is you don't have to breathe actually. You just use the same muscle for the breathing. Now jump forward and stamp the floor. So this is basically same thing as a suriashi. It just go further than suriashi. Manipulation of the tanden can jump forward and stamp the floor. Kamae, try to put your back heel on the floor, put your weight on your front foot, pull your pelvis up with the muscles for the breathing, and then move forward, lift your front foot higher than suriashi, and gravity lets you move forward automatically. After moving forward, at the moment of the front foot stamps the floor, muscles for the breathing pull up your pelvis, your back leg gets pulled to the front leg. Now I'd like to show you how far I can go by using a gravity, by manipulating a tandem. Since I'm using a gravity, it wouldn't show so much motion. So since it's 1 meter, it's enough for the kendo. And this is pushing with the toes. I have to think once to push with the toe. You can see bent back legs too. So I was able to go a little bit further than just gravity. So I tried to go a little bit further than just gravity, and then it exceeded the length of the shinai. So it could go further like this. Then I try to go a little bit further with my toes. I mean, it can go far, but it's really kind of going upwards. Manipulation of tanden can make stamping continuously and quickly. Send an impact from stamping, the floor will be sent to your tanden. So return the wave through crankshaft of tanden to foot and simultaneously send it to hands. You can repeat it without relying on muscles of legs or arms. Rotate tandem. So gyro tandem or gyroscope tandem. A spinning disc feels like lighter disc than actual weight. And drone tandem, Hirosawa Seizan sensei suggested. Prevent from settling. Constant spinning motion would prevent from settling. Continuous motion. Constant spinning motion would allow us continuous motion of our body. It would not require physical spin. It is important to spin tandem consciously. Now let's talk about benefit from the moving from tandem. Manipulation of tandem can move forward with shuffle. It would satisfy requirements: no back heel on the floor, keep back legs straight, something like that. Center of gravity is at center. I told you to put your weight at the front, but actually center of the gravity is at center when we measure it. Because of the angle of the pelvis, the weight seems to be distributed differently. Next one, jump forward and stamp the floor. And the benefit is not pushing off the floor would hide actuation of attack. Stamping continuously and quickly, it would make motion easily. And at last, rotating tandem unconsciously would achieve all the benefits above. I hope you will understand this in the future, and I hope you get all of this benefit. Thank you for watching this video. Smash the like button if you haven't, and subscribe this channel if you haven't. Thank you.